In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Git on Windows 11. So let's start. So first, let's open up a web browser. I'm going to open up Google Chrome. Here we are on Chrome. Now, very simply, you just need to type in the search bar Git. And once you do that, only download it from this website, git-scm.com. So click on Git and it will take you to this page. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see the latest source release, which in my case is 2.47.0. You can then go ahead and click download for Windows. If you need it for Mac, it should recognize you're on Mac. If not, click on Mac build. Because I'm on Windows, we'll click download for Windows and it will take us to this window. Now, what I would recommend is click here to download the latest version. So click on that and it will then prompt to download. We can then download this application into the downloads folder. Yours might just start downloading straight away. Now, once it's downloaded, it will obviously go into your downloads. So here is the download. We can then go ahead and run this installation wizard by double clicking on it. That will then open the installation wizard. Click yes to any pop-up, and here we are inside of the Git installer. So from here, click on next. You can then choose a location you want to install it to, but I would just recommend keep it on the default, which is going to be in program files. Then click next. I used to have it installed. I uninstalled it for this video, so I'm going to override any existing folder. You probably won't have this if you haven't installed it yet. Now you'll be taken to this window, which you can just go ahead and leave everything on default. Then click next. And then click next again. That will create a Git folder. And then here on the default, use this one here, the top one, Vim. So go ahead and choose the top one, click next. Now I would keep all of these settings the same. So let Git decide and then use the recommended option here, Git from the command line and also third-party software. Click on that and then click next again. And we're not changing anything here. We're just clicking next. Check out Windows style, this one, click next. Then next again, fast forward or merge, keep that one and click next. Again, next again, next one more time. And to be honest, unless you know what you're doing, I would configure it with the default settings. Click install and it will start then to install Git. So once this installs, you should be able to use it. So as we can see, it's now finished and we can uncheck view release notes. We don't need to see those. We can launch Git bash. So if you check that, it will launch Git bash, click finish, and then here is Git. I did change the size of it for a YouTube video, so yours won't be this big, but this is how you install Git on Windows 11. You can see if you search for it, here is Git bash. So I hope that video did help you out. Let me know in the comments if you've got any problems.